Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a Pro V-Am. If you guys would be so kindly as to subscribe to the channel right now, I'd appreciate it. But I'm gonna bolt a Pro V-Am right here against my league partner, Lance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be throwing my mix. It's a spare ball. He's gonna bolt straight up. We're gonna bolt a pattern. So, Lance is gonna go first. Here we go.
Strike, baby.
Oh my God. All right. So, Lance, we're bowling on the bat pattern. Have you bowled on the bat pattern before?
Nope, I haven't, but I had some really good training before this video, so I hope it works.
Okay, I haven't warmed up yet. If you win,
What's that?
what do you want? You want your phase 2 pearl? I'll hook you up with your phase 2 pearl.
We'll figure it out as we go.
All right. Go.
Oh. I mean,
It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. All right,
little
so
tough lanes there, you know what I'm saying?
Lance is gonna be bowling
little tough.
normal. He's I was trying to give him some tips before we started, but yeah, Pro V-Am. We do these here in Las Vegas, so if you guys are ever in Vegas, join my Discord, send me a DM, let me know. Hey, I'm in town. I'd like to bowl Pro V-Am. If I'm here, we might be able to work it out.
There it is. Found it.
All right, well, we can't just hook it normal at our spares. And this is why I shoot my spares
Maybe you should practice before you go.
my thumb.
All right. The first frame was.
I got it.
Oh, you do? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yep.
Maybe I should do the same shot.
Yep. Well, I don't know why you would want to do it any different.
Because I'm me.
If you guys notice the shirts we're wearing right now, EFX.co, I don't know if the shirts are live yet, but they are coming. The Lanceism shirt, we got the new ball carry shirt.
Ooh.
That needs to go hard.
And that's why.
6'10". Hey, if you win this, it only further validates you as a great bowler.
Oh, well, in that case, that's all I need then, right? That's all I need.
That's all you need.
Validation, man.
All
That's all people want in life is validation. Validation that you're good at something. Because, I can't just be good at league.
Oh, here we go. We got manual scoring because we don't have it on the board up there, but that's okay.
But hey, before electronics, somehow, you have to do it without a score sheet and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying?
That's true.
All right.
Wait, where are you standing? You're really good at standing in the middle of the camera, so. There's one back there.
Hello, camera.
Remember the last video we bowled, the chair bowling?
Oh, I'm not gonna try to
You blocked half my shots.
We have to have like caution tape.
Half the comments were like, Lance, get out of the way.
Hey, but you know what? They don't even know how it is to like have all these different camera setup and stuff like that.
Oh, it's got a chance. Go. Oh,
no, don't count that. Don't count that.
Okay, I gotta move. I gotta move a little bit.
You don't have to do anything.
I don't even know where I'm standing.
You don't have to do anything. All right. Let's not do what I did last time. Here we go.
Keeping score here for us. Oh, here we go.
Tiptoeing in my Jordans.
Very nice.
I don't play the close to the gutter, so I'm working on me right now.
He's working on him. He's trying to get better. We're battling two different things.
What we're battling?
You're battling the lanes because you're not used to bowling on a short pattern like this.
Short.
And as flat, you don't have the free hold to the left. And I'm throwing my spare ball.
That's true.
That's not what I wanted to see.
And you're bowling a straight ball too.
I gotta throw it. I think I need to throw it harder up the right. My thought was to give it away a little bit, but
there's nothing wrong with throwing harder.
Janet has seen the wrath of my mix. You haven't seen the wrath of my mix yet.
Never.
I don't really like how I'm looking at this. Yeah?
Oh. New ball carry. That's all that shit.
New ball carry, spare ball carry.
Pretty good. Straight
Spare ball.
Can we get a score recap?
After 2? Oh my God, I can't. I'm just gonna write the scores. I'm not gonna write what we're
no
cheating. The actual score. I'm just gonna write the strikes or the spares or the opens. Lansky's like a big lead right here. He'll come back. Oh, that looks close.
Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna be a good shot though. Felt good.
Don't miss.
That is not good sportsmanship, Mr. Tang.
What do you mean?
I was thinking in my head, don't miss, don't miss, don't miss, don't miss.
Well, just like me, maybe you should work on your mental game.
You know what?
Track is not great.
Try to mind mess with me.
Maybe.
Oh, that's what I almost had. Are you trying to show me how I should have had that shot? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Yeah, that's the exact same shot I should have had.
So there's a reason why the mix is on the lower end, on the cheaper side, because it is meant for spares. You can throw it for strike ball,
real soon.
but there are balls that hook a little more for free, so that's why you get higher performance bowling balls if you're gonna use them for strikes.
I can't wait for that validation to come through.
It's early.
Don't miss it. He's gonna pick it up. No, he's not. He's not. Oh, missed it. Oh. Oh, no. He'll be one of these guys. Oh.
I'm like a real Asian. Left hand drive.
Don't Tokyo drift me there. That's actually my favorite. That's my favorite move, man. Out of all the Fast and Furious, Tokyo drift, man.
All right, guys, this is why I don't shoot spares one-handed or two-handed. This is why I shoot them with my thumb.
That is why
Very good.
we don't miss our spares, guys.
That's why we don't miss our spares. I haven't been very good about getting count lately.
There it is.
Oh my goodness, no.
Validation is the key, my friend.
Is this a sock?
Yes, don't. I don't have an extra towel, but you know, sometimes you gotta improvise. When you don't gotta.
Wait, you're using your sock to wipe your ball?
No.
Wait, well, you're using your sock to. Well, you're wearing two socks. What are you doing with this sock?
It was just I have extra socks in my bag.
What are you doing with your sock?
I'm wiping my.
That's disgusting.
No, wait. This is a clean sock, though.
That's gross.
Wait, you think I use this sock?
I don't know what you do.
Hey, it doesn't matter. Maybe it's
All
good
right,
luck.
we gotta step on the gas here.
Don't mess with my good luck.
I didn't hate that. Let's just try to get the hand a little more forward.
This is my technique.
Oh no.
Oh no. Try.
It's either high or straight.
What frame are we even in? I don't even know.
That was the fifth frame.
Oh, okay. Halfway there.
It's just straight trouble. We're in trouble. Oh, Darren, you should be able to beat Lance with a spare ball. You're a professional. You're right. You guys are right. I should. You're right. Uh-oh. Get lucky.
That's why we pick up our spares, guys. Gotta give you one of you guys. Hey.
I might actually have to give you this ball. Finally. No, 8-72.
I don't know what's going on, man. Maybe I should you should do some, I should do some lessons for you, maybe, I don't know.
Right, 55 in the fourth, 64 in the fifth, and Lance is shooting Dutch 200. If he does a double here, I'm in real trouble. Real big trouble. Oh, he might.
Oh. You're getting
Tim,
nervous.
there's our light 4-pin.
I wish it was a little bit heavier.
Ooh, got away with one. Why are all these racks wide?
I don't know. Let me ask the racker. Well, there's somebody back there that manually racks these pins all the time. They'll be more accurate.
Would they?
Maybe.
I don't think so. These machines are just old.
Maybe we should do string.
Who wants to see Lance at the next PBA stop?
Don't mind me. I'm just Mr. Wipe my foot off with myself over here.
Trying to get right up on it. Maybe?
Oh, that's not it. That is not it. We're not gonna air this. We had to redo it. Nope. We gotta keep filming this. It's okay. You have to work your adversity, man.
I don't know what my ball is gonna do.
There's gonna be a time when you're.
I'm gonna pick this up.
You're gonna pick it up. You better pick it up. You're Darren Tang. You know who you are. You know who you are.
I should have hit it with some surface.
Come on, take a lane. And he picks it up.
Hard.
No, he doesn't. Don't get my hopes up. I was actually excited because you said you're gonna pick it up, but you didn't.
I don't know when it's gonna hook. That's the problem.
I know when it's gonna hook. Never. You're bowling with a straight ball. That's why.
All right, I need them all for 192, I think.
Oh no.
Oh, here's my chance. Here's my chance. Here we go. Here's my chance. Here's my chance.
Always gotta make the video interesting. Always gotta make the videos interesting.
All right, so you have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 117 in the sixth. About to be 125 after this. I have 72.
Oh wow.
If I throw a double, I'm down 20.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I don't know how I'm gonna throw a
I
double.
don't know how you're gonna do it either.
My ball's not reading the lane early enough. Oh, he got it.
Ooh, spirit game tight tonight.
I need you to open at least once to have a chance.
I don't open, I close.
That's hard. Lanceism. Lanceism.
You open, I close.
Lanceism. This rack is not helping at all. Every time we go a little light, we two pin. Then every time we go high, we split. It's not a good rack if your ball's not rolling forward.
Oh, there's a strike. Felt it. That was a good one. Felt it.
Here we go.
I felt that. Felt that joy down in my heart.
We got life. We got chance. We got chance. We got chance.
What's up, dog?
Yep.
Doing all right?
Yeah, you.
Good to see you, baby.
You too.
All right.
Come on. Give me some life here.
Oh, no.
Oh. Don't do it. I don't have actual scoring up right now, so it's going to be a problem to figure out the scores, but that's 6. You have 133 now, I think, in the 6th frame.
Okay. In the 6th? I thought we were in the 7th.
Or in the 7th? I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I thought we were in the 7th.
No, this might be the 7th frame. You have 133 in the 6th. No, you have 133 in the 7th. Yeah, that's the 8th frame. All right, a little bit of breathing room.
First open.
Ever so slightly. I'm gonna have to do some math if it gets close towards the end.
I need it.
You got a little yippee yippee.
Can't let back
Little
in.
yippee. You get the little
Can't let
yippee.
you come back.
Firm,
Can't
use the hook.
right?
It's gotta be firm and use the hook.
Uh-oh. Here comes the professional. He got another one.
Perf.
Oh. The sniper. Get into the chopper. Didn't get into the chopper. The chopper was full.
I needed that so bad.
You don't get into the chopper.
Dang it.
Look at that spare game. Oh, you serious? Don't do that to me. Are you gonna give it to me?
There's too much hook on the lane. Yeah, I pretty much lost already.
That is it.
This was anticlimactic. I missed pretty much every spare shot.
That's okay. It's okay. I took your validation though.
For what?
Validation that I am a great bowler.
That's your that's validation for you. Ain't no validation for me. Ah.
Wah.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh my.
I didn't even look bad. I had a no look strike, no look strike.
Well, I actually have to do the math. I don't know if it's actually over.
What's that? Did that close you out? Yeah. I'm sorry to hear that.
I think so. I only have 160 left.
Oh man. Now you're gonna have to get your the big balls out there.
I wonder if I should have thrown the backup ball.
Yeah. Oh, you should have been doing it the whole time.
I thought that was going in.
Oh man. Hey, I'm not gonna say nothing.
Spares are important. All my PBA friends are like, yeah, why don't you just go two-handed with your spares? I'm like, no.
No, not today.
This is why.
Oh, we never. Ooh.
I was about to say, that one's not gonna hook. That one's not gonna hook.
You like to whisper by your pins. I'm not gonna talk too much trash.
Yeah, you already won.
Oh.
180 if you spare it.
We'll see. You know how tip pins and me do.
I'm mathing our scores right now.
We can round. Round to the nearest 200. I'm on.
Ah, he can. He did what I couldn't. He did what I couldn't.
When the lights are bright, you gotta shine brighter. Is this a 10?
This is for 180 something. I don't know exactly what. 77, 3, 42,
188 beat
182. It's for
180
182.
beat you.
I believe. 182. I could bowl 150 if I get them all on the nose. I don't know how I can bowl that high, but I got 150 left. Oh! 180 on the nose.
On the noggin.
180. Well, good kegling, sir. Good for you. Good for you. I'll hook you up with a ball. I'll hook you up with a ball. No, not the phase 2 prod. There's another ball.
No, I think that's validation, dog.
Validation. Validation. I'll give you that. Let's see. If I picked up all my spares, what do you have? 40, 60. That one's split. I'll leave that one out. Spare. No, I can still shoot. I would be able to shoot 190 still.
32.
So I would need a double in the 10th to win.
Man,
I figured it out a little too late.
Too late.
Now that holds.
Too late. Too late. It's okay, man. Maybe you should warm up sometimes.
You know what? You want to go do the outro?
Hey.
Well, if you guys enjoyed the beatdown that I just received, hang on. I'm gonna finish my game. We need a final score.
Validation. I guess it helped that, you know, had a little warm up on it.
Yeah, do I get the coaching handicap?
Look at that. Oh, nice.
All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this beatdown, I've been losing a lot on this channel on these Pro VMs, so if you guys did enjoy it, go check out the next video that's about to show. Appreciate you guys if you made it this far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And again, if you guys want to challenge me, make sure you're in Vegas, contact me via Discord.
Yeah.
Come to Tuesday Night League, come see Lance, bug him for autographs, and we'll see you in the next one.